Hello everyone. We're going to have a brief review of this branded Vanguard branded cassette deck, which is probably a Hitachi rebranded deck. The model is DE-75. This is a quite good quality two-head deck, and it has few features, but you can see from some of them that the deck is not cheap by any means. For example, there's an output knob. Also, you can select between these four types of formulation: metal, normal, ferrochrome, and also it has also Dolby and just Dolby B, and that gives us the idea that this is a quite old deck. The controls are soft touch. We'll see in a moment the mechanism, and it also has phones and micro inputs. The only maybe poor side is the display, which is a very simple display, yet it's a digital display. It is not a view meter, and the deck is made all from metal, probably, or maybe plastic, I don't know. Okay, this is the front side. Now in the inside we can have a quick look and see that there's plenty of components and boards, and things are a bit oversized. This reinforces the idea that this is a quite good deck. To begin with, we'll go through the mechanism, and we can first see the huge flywheel. That is a clue that this deck was not cheap. It has two motors and two solenoids. We can see one of them here, and the other is in the bottom below the mechanism. And one thing that is quite nice to watch is the soft output device for the cassette deck. You can see that there's a butterfly-like component there, responsible to stop the movement as the speed gets higher. Not stop, but stabilize the speed of opening the mechanism. By the way, I don't have the front cover of the mechanism. The transformer is also bigger than usual. It has a dedicated board for the power supply with quite large capacitors, and the audio board has the Hitachi Dolby chips. I think they are this, and this deck has no big selector, mechanical selector, to engage the recording circuits. It must have some sort of components, like probably this one, which are early relays. And most of it, that's it for this unit. This particular unit has a problem. I'll show you, and I was about to forget that the heads are special. Let's try to focus on the head, because this head is clearly a better head than what we are used to see in two-head units. Let me check. There it is, getting focus. So you can see that this is Nakamichi-like. I'd say that it's Nakamichi-like two-head deck in what the recording and playback head looks like. And this particular unit has the head broken. One of the coils inside is is open. So unfortunately, that's a very big issue. You need to replace the head, and you have to do it with the proper head, otherwise you're ruining the good thing about this deck. That's it. Thanks for watching.